Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's open up our contacts application right over here. Gonna skip signing in. As you can see, we have like 5 different contacts, so let's just disregard them. And you want to tap on these 3 bars right here, select settings, and then at the bottom you'll find import option. From here, select that you want to import your contacts from the SIM card. And this will show you contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, by default, they should all be selected, but you can clearly see that I have more contacts not selected than selected. The gray ones are some of the contacts that are already on the phone. As you've seen, there was like 5 different contacts. So some of the numbers repeat, and the phone is just simply stopping me from creating a duplicate contact of them. So that's completely fine. And even if I try to select it, as you can see, contact already exists in your list. So anyway, from here you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and then you want to select import at the bottom. This will show you how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back, you should see them right over here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.